Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Wyzant is an online platform that connects students with private tutors and instructors in a wide range of subjects. It serves as a marketplace where people seeking to learn can find experienced educators to help them achieve their educational goals. Wyzant offers both in-person and online tutoring options, making it a versatile platform for both students and tutors. If you want to make money on Wyzant as a tutor or instructor, here's how you can get started. 1. Create a Wyzant account. Visit the Wyzant website and create a tutor account. You'll need to provide information about your education, qualifications, teaching experience, and areas of expertise. 2. Set your profile. Create a detailed and professional profile that highlights your qualifications, teaching style, and availability. Add a profile picture and a short biography to make your profile more appealing to potential students. 3. Pass the Wyzant subject exam optional. Wyzant offers subject exams that you can take to verify your expertise in specific subjects. Passing these exams can enhance your credibility and visibility on the platform. 4. Set your rates. Determine your hourly rates for tutoring. Wyzant allows you to set your own rates, but it's essential to be competitive and reflective of your experience and expertise. 5. Offer a free 30-minute consultation. Many tutors on Wyzant offer a free 30-minute consultation to prospective students. This allows both you and the student to get to know each other and discuss their learning needs. 6. Respond to student inquiries. As students search for tutors on Wyzant, they may reach out to you with inquiries. Respond promptly and professionally to these inquiries. 7. Schedule and conduct lessons. Once you've connected with a student, you can schedule lessons and conduct them either in person or online through the platforms. Virtual classroom. 8. Get paid. Wyzant handles payment processing, and you will receive your earnings through direct deposit or check. 9. Request reviews and build your reputation. Encourage your students to leave reviews after each lesson. Positive reviews can help you attract more students and build a good reputation on the platform. 10. Promote your services. Actively promote your services through your Wyzant profile and on social media to attract more students.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.